crazy. I look mental. I look pretty cute when I look at the house. Maybe it's because I'm in the shade. Okay, so how do people literally film their car? Excuse me. How do people literally film in their car? Like, the sun is coming through, cute vibes, but then what about all these visors? How do people do, like, come drive with me? This way? Anyway, I don't know how much of me you can see, and I'm squinting. I'll put you down here. Just focus on me. Anyway, we're gonna go, oh my god, I'm really struggling it. We're gonna go out for brunch with Ella. Let's go. And then we've got rugby.
Hi guys, so
Hey,
we're currently in Victoria's Secret.
Victoria's Secret, so this is Victoria's Secret. I will need to go this way. I can't hold it that way. But the lighting.
So my top is from Gucci, clearly.
Yeah.
Gucci just floral now. My coat is Chanel, of course.
Chanel.
Because like I have so much money, I can afford.
Dior hair clip. Versace. But yeah, we are gonna get some groovy little snack in this little local cafe in LA.
Local cafe in LA. And Yasmin with like jacket potato, prawns and cheese.
Okay, so
She feels like she needs to explain.
I need to explain mine because I know that you shouldn't have fish and cheese. I think that's illegal, but I want it and I will have it.
So she's just gonna.
Because I need that protein, so Paul's getting in there, but I really fancy a jacket potato.
No one understands why. No one knows the reason why you want to do it.
Like,
right in front. I'm like, do I look at it or do I look at you?
We'll get games, that's why. I need to get these games.
Games.
We need to do a class together. We should go to Zumba. I should join Zumba. Yes.
I think I'm. Oh wait, I don't know if I'm going.
I can't do next week because I got panto. Hold on, I'm gonna. Alright, me love. So, what voice do we do now? We're doing American.
We're doing American.
Okay. We're doing American.
No, it's like Paul Breach. Obviously, Paul Breach when he was really trying to stand.
He reminds me of So, what static beverage have you got yourself over here?
I got myself. I just need you to pick my identity for the day. Okay. So I got myself a cappuccino.
Alright, la.
This is supposed to be regular, but it feels like a large.
Okay, my turn.
Okay. So what have you got yourself today?
So, I got myself. Wait, should I do a Welsh accent?
Welsh accent. Bear with, she's just deciding her accent.
Oh, that's not ours. Wait, hold on. Is that yours, Ella? That one's yours.
Oh yeah, that one's my one.
That one's not mine.
Thank you.
How dare he get me food that isn't mine?
This looks so nice.
Do you know what I really fancy? Avocado and toast, but I didn't see it on the menu.
Oh yeah, I need to butter my bread.
Butter your bread? Yeah.
I'll butter it in a second.
Right.
Hi, this is Ella and you're watching
Hi, I'm Yasmin and you're watching Disney Channel.
I had to like
Do it. As we go, we're skipping off into the sun. Look at the sky!
into the sunset.
Look at it, it's so pretty. And look, at our favourite place. We're
Like shit, I should have sunglasses.
I have to
Be
bring
smart and wear sunglasses like Yasmin.
Yeah.
So you don't end up squinting.
I always have to bring them when I'm driving because it's not good. The sun is always in my eyes.
I'm just using my hand as an
Cute vibes.
Cute vibes.